As Powermachine, we bring you Turkey's best cigarette rolling machine. Festo piston valves, our world brand, are used. Our machine can produce 5,800 cigarettes per hour. It produces original slim and king size cigarettes. Production process of machine parts. The perfect harmony of the parts of produced with CNC quality with the Festo group. Spare parts can be shipped from Turkey or Germany according to your preference. Provides online technical support. Spare supply of all parts of the machine is available. The Festo Group provides a special 6-month product warranty for our company. Mechanical warranty is 1 year. Our device has a weight of 40 kilograms, a width of 78 centimeters, a height of 58 centimeters, and a width of 56 centimeters. The product delivery time is delivered to cargo within the first 4 working days after the order is placed. Cargo transportation process varies for each country.
The payment points we work with Western Union and Sparkasse Bank Germany and all Turkish banks.
Powermachine.